Hi everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Hello. Today we're going to practice English with a real, natural conversation that you can use in your daily life. Listen carefully, repeat after us, and enjoy learning. Let's get started. Hi Mark, how are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. And you? I'm fine too. The weather is so nice today. Yes, it's sunny and warm. It's a perfect day for a walk. I agree. I really like days like this. What do you usually do in the morning? Well, I wake up at 7, make a cup of coffee, and read a little. That sounds very relaxing. What about you? I usually exercise for about 30 minutes, then I take a shower to start my day. That's a very healthy routine. Do you work or study, Mark? I work as an office assistant. Oh, really? Do you like your job? Yes, it's sometimes busy, but overall I really enjoy it. That's good to hear. I'm currently studying online to learn some new skills. That's great. It's always a good idea to invest in yourself for the future. Why are you learning English? I want to travel and communicate with people from different countries. That's a big motivator for me. That's a very good reason. And you, I need English for my job, but also for personal growth. I feel like English opens so many doors. Absolutely. So, what do you like to do in your free time? I love watching movies and listening to music. It helps me relax. Nice. What kind of movies do you like? I'm a big fan of comedy and adventure movies. They're just so fun. That's cool. I really enjoy reading and walking in the park, especially on days like today. That sounds peaceful. Let's talk about food. What's your favorite? I love pasta and grilled chicken. It's my go-to comfort food. That sounds delicious. Do you like to cook? Yes, I do, but I admit I don't cook every day. Sometimes I'm just too tired. I understand, but cooking at home is really healthy and often cheaper too. So true. Looking ahead, what are your plans for the future? My main goal is to improve my English and get a better job. That's what I'm working towards. That's a brilliant goal. I'm sure you'll achieve it. Thanks. What about you? I really want to travel and experience new cultures. I think traveling teaches us so much about the world and ourselves. It definitely does. Before we finish, do you have any advice for our fellow English learners watching this? Yes, practice daily, even if it's just for 10 minutes. Consistency is key, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Exactly, mistakes actually help you learn and improve faster. So remember to speak, listen, and repeat as much as you can. Thank you so much for listening to our conversation today. We hope this dialogue was helpful for your English practice. Try practicing this conversation aloud to build your confidence. And don't forget to like and follow our channel for more English content. See you next time. Goodbye.